Hi friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today we'll be learning how we can make a neat rib which is used for various projects like cardigans, sweaters, caps, etc. etc. Here I would like to tell you something that I'll be casting 20 stitches, but I will not be showing you in detail because I already have 2 videos related to basic knitting which I'll be attaching for your convenience. So let us begin. Here I'll be casting 20 stitches, after which I'll be showing you how we can knit a neat looking rib. Now the first stitch here I am doing is a knit. Now I turn my yarn and I make one purl, then I turn my yarn. This part is crucial because you'll see that I'll be passing my right needle through the back loop. Now that is purl. Purl is simple, but the knit, here you have to be careful. We'll be passing the needle through the back side of the left needle. See, I have zoomed in so that it is easier for you to watch. Purl will be doing as it is, but when we do the knit, we will insert the needle into the back side of the stitch. Now that's our purl and that's our knit which is being taken from the back side of the stitch. If you watch the video carefully, you'll understand. Now that's the knit. Here again I am passing the needle through the back side of the stitch. This will give a neat finish to our rib, which otherwise will not look as neat as this particular one will look. Starting the second row, what I do, first stitch I just slip into my right hand needle. After that I'll start working. See, if you watch the stitches carefully, you will see the V-shaped stitch you have to knit, that is from the back side. And see, I have zoomed in. If you watch carefully, you will see V-shaped stitch that we have to knit. That is from the back side. Yes. Now that's the purl and that's the knit from the back side will do. It is simple as that. And as I always tell you, to keep the tension same throughout. One thing I would like to tell, that is, I already have a detailed video on basic knitting, that is garter stitch and the knit and the purl. I'll be attaching those links, so if any one of you are a fresher who is visiting this particular channel, then you can check those out. It has been zoomed, it will be easy. That's the purl. Now we turn the yarn. If you notice the stitch, you will see a V-shaped stitch. That means that will be the knit. Now that's the purl. We turn the yarn and from the back side we knit. Again we turn the yarn, that's the purl. Then again we turn the yarn and from the back side we knit. So the same process is to be repeated all throughout till we get the desired length. Here another thing to be noticed is, while we are working the rib stitch, you will see if a stitch is knit on the right side of the work while working on the left side, that we have to do purl. and the vice versa. If you notice your rib stitch carefully, you will see the difference. I hope you all could understand, and you can watch the video carefully and try it out, or you can knit along with me so that you can understand what is to be done and when. Thank you friends for staying till the end. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Do hit the like button if you found the video interesting. And if you are new to our channel, do take a moment to subscribe. Stay tuned for more of interesting videos in future. So till then, be safe, be happy, keep smiling and keep waiting for our next video. So it is bye for today. Bye bye.